to Natty Spikers. The boss right in the back.
Okay, thank you.
Hey guys, today I'm gonna be tasting these 3 rat noodles. What was that noise?
Fireworks.
No, it ain't no fireworks.
So the first set of noodles we have here is Boosie's, and they are Louisiana hot and spicy chicken flavored noodles. His quote is, "Sometimes you need those bad days because it helps you truly appreciate the good ones." Okay, so the second one is creamy chicken gumbo noodles, and this is a signature from Master P. It says, Percy Miller, also known as Master P, was born and raised in New Orleans, Louisiana. Growing up in poverty, he understood the value of hard work, sacrifice, and an education. Master P says, the key to success is knowledge, investing in yourself, and never giving up. Through his career as an iconic rapper, entrepreneur, and hip-hop mogul, he has dominated the industry through his music and business endeavors. He continues to empower the next generation of leaders by sharing his knowledge in marketing, business, and financial literacy. Sign up now at masterpmasterclass.com.
And what I have here is E40 from the Bay. And this quote is, believe in yourself first before you believe in anyone else. Believe in your own dreams before you believe in somebody else's dreams. You smell me? Your personality and networking skills will take you a long way. Always remember, stay down until you come up. Real talk.
All right, Manny, so which flavor do you want to try?
This one.
Which one is that? The Boosie spicy noodles? Spicy noodle challenge. Here, let's give it a try.
I was hot. Can you hold it?
Okay, I'll hold it. It looks good. It got a lot of seasonings in there. You can blow it, girl, blow it.
Wait.
So what do you think?
What'd you
It's
think?
good.
Was it spicy? All right. Oh, you need some juice. Don't get you some juice. I decided to try the creamy chicken gumbo because, of course, I love gumbo. And it has a lot of seasoning in it. Let's just start there. All right. So here goes nothing. To the gumbo. Gumbo on the budget. That's what we gonna call it. All right. So like I said, this is gumbo on the budget, and they are super delicious. Try them.
Okay, so I am gonna try this E40 beef prime rib. Oh man, I need some A1. Oh, look at this.
Ooh, wait. Spicy.
Oh, you had a voice sound like that.
Oh man, Madison, so good. I want to slap your mama.
Hey, you better keep some hands over there.
Today we tasted some rapper spicy noodles, and that's the end for this video.
All right, guys. See you guys later. Bye-bye.